Welcome to my channel. I'm Sheila Joanne. In this video, I'm going to be doing a wig install at the salon. The wig came in this cute package. Inside you get an instructions guide on how to take care of the hair, a cute headband, 2 wig caps, and the hair itself. The hair is 100% pure human hair, 12 inches, black in color, 180% density, 13x4 lace front wig. It came pre-plucked and ready to be installed. So without wasting any time, we go straight into installing the wig. So to slick down my edges, he's applying Got2b edge control. And for this install, he prefers using a black cap. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Also turn on your notifications for this channel because I have a lot of videos coming up. So you'll be among the first people to get notified each time I post a new video. At this point, he's just placing the lace on my hairline and he's checking not to place it too behind or too forward, just at the perfect spot, dragging it from one side to the other just to ensure it lays flat. If you're thinking about getting your hair done, I highly recommend checking out Enjoooooooy wigs. This is the salon I'm getting my install at. They are so friendly, guys, professional, and have experienced stylists who know exactly how to give you the look you want. I love to work with them mainly because they take the time out to understand your preferences, providing personalized recommendations and services to ensure you leave feeling fabulous. Guys, now this is where the magic begins. He's going in with these scissors to cut off all the extra lace, and since you're going for a natural finish, he's not cutting the lace in a straight line, as you can see. Rather, he's doing a zigzag motion, basically just following how the lace is. And since I want to keep the install for a long period of time, he's advising on using the Ghost Bond glue, which also gives the natural finish we are going for.
Oh, I can just see her, so beautiful and sweet, with her hair and her actions more tame. She's probably less damaged and has a nice family, though my brothers would have loved you the same.
So to make the lace more scalp-like, he's going in with Wonder Lace Melt Spray and is tying a band to help the glue dry better. I can say that this product works so well because I have seen it work on a previous install and I love it so much. So for styling, I requested for a side part, and he's parting my hair using wax stick and a hot comb to like flatten the hair and tame any flyaways.
You pick her up and you always call first, and you wait till
He's then curling the rest of my hair. Let me not even lie to you guys. At this point, I feel like $1,000,000. I love this hairstyle so much. The hair is giving, and I just love how versatile this wig is. You can part it anywhere that you want. You can wear it straight. You can wear it just however you feel like. What do you guys think about this? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe. Subscribing to my channel is totally free, and that's the best way you can support this channel. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys.